Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you all a simple exercise which can nourish your kidneys, promote blood circulation and prevent cardiovascular diseases. A lot of people assume health exercise is very complicated and therefore not keen to do it. But there is a very simple health exercise which only requires 5 to 10 minutes daily but can nourish your kidneys, promote blood circulation and prevent cardiovascular diseases. This exercise is doing tiptoe. Although it sounds very simple, but its benefits are beyond our imagination. Let us see what the benefits of doing tiptoe exercise daily are. Doing tiptoe daily can enable us to maintain our heartbeat around 150 times and allow the blood to supply sufficient oxygen to the heart muscles. This will in turn nourish our hearts, prevent heart attack, and various cardiovascular diseases. People with weak kidneys generally experience weakness in the waist and knees, shortness of breath and frequent urination. Tiptoe exercise is very suitable for these patients, which can promote kidney qi energy flow, thereby strengthening the kidneys. Doing tiptoe exercise daily can also prevent the formation of varicose veins, swelling of the lower limbs and numbness. Besides, it also promotes blood circulation of the lower body, smoothen the return blood flow, thereby preventing diseases of the lower limbs. Women who do tiptoe exercise can prevent and heal various sicknesses such as irregular menstruation, menopausal syndrome, etc. It is a good health exercise. Tiptoe exercise is a good training to strengthen the calf muscles and also prevent prostate inflammation and invigorate the overall bodies. Doing tiptoe exercise daily can prevent stroke because this exercise can stimulate blood flow in the brain. If there are symptoms of stroke such as redness of the face, giddiness, numbness of the limbs, and high blood, tiptoe exercise 5 to 10 minutes can prevent stroke occurring. What is the difference between walking on tiptoes and wearing high heels? Tiptoe does not include balance on heels and it is in heeled shoes. Moreover, you tiptoe just for limited time, whereas wearing heels for too long may cause lower back pain. How to do tiptoe? Method 1. Firstly, using both feet to grip the ground firmly and lift up the heels. Then relax and lower them down. Repeat 20 to 30 times. Method 2. Every time on tiptoe, walk 30 to 50 steps, then relax for a short while, then continue based on one's body condition. Overall, 5 to 10 minutes is sufficient. You can adjust your own pace as long as you feel comfortable. Caution: when all people do tiptoe, it is best to have other people to accompany to prevent falling. Such exercise 5 to 10 minutes is sufficient. No need to exert too much to prevent injury to tendons. For people who suffer from osteoporosis, this exercise is not recommended. Please like my Facebook page Natural Remedies, link given below. Please hit that subscribe button and click the bell button too to get notified about my videos. Thank you.